In this example, this company provides hydraulic hose crimping service. So in order to provide this service, they keep in their inventory the hydraulic hose, maybe in meters or maybe in roll. They purchase it and keep in the inventory. And along with the hydraulic hose, they keep the connectors also, connectors and crimping things. Okay, whatever accessories needed to crimp the hose, this also keep in the inventory. So in the final invoice, they mention this hydraulic hose with the required meter along with the service charges. So to do this, we have to first create the inventory. Here go home, just I am making inventory in the masters, inventory masters, inventory item, just simply I am making hydraulic hose. I mentioned here meters, unit of measure meters. So just if you are getting in roll, just convert to meters and create the purchase. Now I'm making other things like a connector. So for this example, I am making some purchase invoice. Just click on create voucher, purchase. Now we don't have this item in our inventory. So this is in meter. So I am adding 200 meters. And I mentioned connector also, accessory. Just I mentioned connector 50 numbers each item, and this one hydraulic hose in meters. Now this item came into our inventory as a purchase invoice. If your purchase invoice coming with a different measurement, you can convert to meter and enter in the system. So because we are going to consume this in meters. Now you can make a delivery also. If you provide the service, you can make a delivery note, create voucher, delivery. But here don't mention inventory row, just add ledger row. Whatever you mention, along with the product, you provide the service also. Just for the delivery, just you mention it. So it won't affect your stock. Just we made a delivery note. It's not affecting your inventory because we made a ledger wise. So here this to issue to the customer. You click PDF. You can download it as a PDF file. So in the delivery note, you just mentioned hydraulic hose 100 meter with crimping. Now we can make a final invoice. If you go home, create voucher, sales. Now you can select the customer here. Just for example, I am choosing cash. So here I again add ledger row. Now we are mentioning like we consume 100 meter cable with crimping. So we will mention the lump sum amount. So here in your invoice, you will not mention inventory wise. Inventory wise you cannot mention because you need to add service charges also. So it will come like this. We just mentioned hydraulic hose 100 meter with crimping. Okay. But what will happen? Our inventory will be same. It not changed. If you go here, home, reports, inventory, summary. If you look main warehouse, you will find it. Hydraulic hose meter 200, which we purchased, and the connector also 50 pieces. It's not changed. So to affect this inventory, just we need to make a stock out. Create voucher. You can mention stock journal and make it a stock out. So maybe we consumed 100 meter and connector maybe 2 pieces. Make it out. This is going out. We consumed already and mention the invoice name here, which against this invoice so and so we consume these things. We make it submit. So if you now look reports, stock summary, you will find this thing. See here, hydraulic hose become 100 and your connector 48, 2 we consumed. If you click here, you will get the details. This inverts we have these things 40, this closing stock. Okay? Inverts we have 50 pieces and 2 pieces outwards. So if you click here March, you have purchase stock journal outwards. Click here. If you type something against which invoice, so it will show here. So in the actual invoice we are not mentioning this because it's not, we are not directly selling the inventory. We are using that inventory to produce something. Okay, so we can make stock out journal to make the item out of our stock.